Entropy Outdoors, hunting, fishing, and loving every day. Join us today while we go turkey hunting. We've got some video from the last 3 days. Day number 3 was the best. Check it out.
Alright, just heading there right now, and heading out to a spot that has traditionally held turkeys, but I haven't even scouted it this year. I'm just going to go out there and see what happens, take my time, and take a peek around. So, we'll see what we see. This is the part that I'm not the biggest fan of, but a bit of exercise is always good, right? Well, my foot's asleep, but I got him. Oh my gosh. Oh. That was a pretty long shot. I might need a SWAT shot here. Thanks. Good track. That's not ideal. Let's see if it's expired now. I'm not sure. Awesome. Okay, took a while. Oh, it's a beautiful bird. Oh, it's a beautiful bird. Wow, awesome. All right, that was an amazing hunt. Look at this. So this is where the bird finally expired. It was shot over here. I'm shooting down on an angle with a good backdrop, the ground being the backdrop. I'm not sure if you can see my blind up here or not, right there. But that bird had to literally come off of the property to the south here, clear the fence line, have a safe backdrop so shot wouldn't travel onto any other property other than the one I'm allowed to hunt. Took the shot and it flipped and flopped and whatnot and ended up right here. And this literally is the property line right here. Isn't that amazing? Talk about a close one, eh? Gorgeous day, gorgeous afternoon. And that pretty much happened started around 4 o'clock. I had two birds come in from the south. I called them in. A combination of hen calls and gobble calls. I thought, you know what, let's just piss those things right off. And it worked. It sounded like somebody else was with their lady. So, all right, well, that's the end of that one. That was an awesome little hunt here. Anyways, tag's all notched. Might have ripped it a little bit trying to notch it, but it's done. I had a little lay down here. I find I can stay real quiet if I'm having a nap, I'll tell you that. Regardless, everything is safe. That was a good little hunt. Right down here. So, like, it was funny though, because the other bird was closer, but it didn't have as big a beard. It did have a beard. I wasn't 100% certain it did, it didn't. You know what? I'm not playing games like that. The one that was a little bit further clearly had a well-defined beard. They both did. After the second one flew away, obviously it did. I thought I saw it over here a little further. But at the time to shoot, the one that clearly had the larger beard, the beard for sure, was further. Took the shot, wasn't a problem. But, yeah, so this has worked out really well. I've got a really poor quality hand decoy here, and just a stake blind beside a rock, and a pad to sit on. And I use two different kinds of calls here, typically. The normal box call, and this box call that's like a pull box call, pull style. You just pull one end. You can actually mount it to your gun. Anyways, and a gobble call, which has a bit of a safety factor to it, but seems to work out real well. Beautiful bird. So this is a Mossberg 535. Again, it's been made safe. And what was I shooting here? Well, I was shooting Federal, I think these are Grand Slam. Yeah, they are Grand Slam. 3.5 inch. I think they're number 5, copper coated. 2 ounces. And honestly, that's my go-to shell. It really is. They definitely reach out. I've got a full choke in the Mossberg. Worked out great. Anyways, I'm gonna get this one out of here and get some measurements on it. Make sure it doesn't fall off this rock, and get it cleaned up. Gorgeous, isn't it? All right. Hope you're having a great day.
For further updates and adventures, please like and subscribe, and ding that bell. Until next time, be well and stay safe.